sobra anti di ano, malagkit. Meron akong ganyan. Okay. Gamitin natin ang computer mo, boss. Kain ka na pa. Search natin kung ano ang kalamay. Kalamay hati recipe. Kawaling Pinoy. Ayan, sarap. Yeah, yung kalamay kayo dyan, mani, pugong, ganun sila sa bus, istorbo sila sa tulog pag huminto ang bus. Kalami kayo dyan, kalami, mani. Diba? Ganun sa bus. Ako since nagka-abs na ayan, nagka-acid reflux na. Kaya may kalaro sana ng badminton. Ayan, kayo ni Tay. Guys, wait lang. I'm going now muna, hot. Inutusan ako now. Thank you at God bless. Okay. Okay, Kalami, walang problema. Salamat din sa pagpunta dito sa aking live, pagdalaw, at mag-ingat din kayo. Ingat kayo dyan. God bless. Pahingi pera. Ayan, pahingi pera daw, sabi ni did you hear that too? Did you hear that mystical in the Philippines? Pahingi pera. I guess, yeah. That's from the Philippines. Mani. Di ba? Amping Sir Kalame, sabi ni Tay. Yes, yeah, they usually do that. Especially those kids, right? Kids and then those homeless, like. In the bus or outside. Ganito pala ang paggawa nila ng kalamay. Parang suman din lang. Parang suman or bibingka. Or dudul. Do you know dudul? Pirtay. Yes, I know. Pahingi pera. Especially if they knows that you are not a Filipino. Foreigner. They used to do that. Badjaw and hadjaw. Fellas, mostly at the buses and jeepneys. Haha, badjaw and budjaw. Fellas. Badjaw. Diba ang badjaw is Pilipinas yun badjaw. That's yes, pahingi pera, Joey. Joey. How's the balcony? Is it clean? Grade mo sir? What do you think? What do you think the balcony? Is it clean? Grade mo tanong brak sir. Pahingi pera. I know. Ang kamanganin? Ay, naangkat? Puti na lang, hindi kita inintay. Kumain na lang. Nagutom na ako, hindi pa kumain maghapon. 5 million in the house. Thank you so much.